Hi, it's Marina from Frameright. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create your own collections, define custom crop dimensions, and save them for future use. You will also learn how to add your favorite social media sizes to your custom collection. Just hover over the plus sign next to my collections and click Add Collection. Give your collection a name and click Save. Now you can start adding crop definitions. You can define custom crops to your collection based on ratio or pixel size. Simply type in the ratio and click Save. And the same goes for pixel, like so. When you only know the pixel width of an image, it can be difficult to determine the appropriate height. Website builders often present this challenge. To simplify the process, I tend to first determine the preferred image ratio and then add the pixel width. This ensures that my images are always the correct size, even when the instructions are a little bit vague. In addition to custom sizes, you can easily organize your most frequently used social media sizes in collections. Simply type in the name of the social media platform, for example, Facebook, and select the desired option. For example, I will choose the banner size for Facebook and the square for Instagram. With the free plan, you can create one collection with up to 5 dimensions. I hope that using collections will help you stay organized and free up time for more fun and creative stuff. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to share and receive collections. This will make collaborating much more easy.